Hello, sir.
Hello, how are you, Lima?
Thank you. I'm fine. How about you, teacher?
Alhamdulillah, I'm also fine. Okay, let's get started.
Okay.
Okay, can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. In this class, we have already complete our Photoshop software. In this class, we will start Adobe Illustrator. This is quite similar with Photoshop. So let's get started. Okay, this is Photoshop UI and this is Illustrator UI. If you compare them, so this is easy, like same. Create new button, open button. If you see here, create new and open. File, image, layers, file, image. Uh, uh, so both are almost same. But the difference is once is the Photoshop is called raster graphics and Illustrator software calls Backdoor Graphics. We have already see what is raster and vector. Let's recap again. So if we type raster versus vector, okay, okay, okay. This is the example. Okay, if you see this image, there are two birds. Uh, this is in raster graphics, and the another one is vector graphics. That means this one created in Photoshop and this one created in Illustrator. So in Illustrator there will be no pixelated issue. If you see here, this is not clear. This is look like it's blurred. It's not clear. So this is created with Adobe Photoshop, and this is clear, 100% clear, and this is called vector. So if you also see this one, versus and versus, BS and BS, this one is raster graphics, and this one is vector graphics. It's clear. So like in, if you see, if you go LinkedIn or any social media, you will see lots of graphics design, lots of design. Let's say like this is one kind of design, and uh, 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 okay, let's go to Instagram. Okay, let's search perfect web solution. Okay, okay, if you see here, this is everything is raster graphics. This every poster design created with Adobe Photoshop. This is called raster graphics. But in this image, if you see here, this is another one. This not look like a regular image. This is called vector graphics. Like someone convert your image to art. So if someone wants to convert your image to art, they have to use Adobe Illustrator. Like if we search face convert to art in Illustrator. Yes, look at this. If you see here, this is our original image, like this one. This is our original image. But if you want to convert your image to a vector, you have to use Adobe Illustrator. Look at this. So they are just converting their image to vector with Adobe Illustrator. There are lots of examples. Look at this. This original image, then after converting vector. Okay, this is also another example that this is our real image. This is our real image, and after converting to vector it will look like something like this. So the main things is, if you want to convert anything to vector, you have to use Adobe Illustrator. This is the main concept. So if you convert anything else on vector, it will be not pixelated, it will be get high resolution. Okay, so let's get start. First of all, so this is quite similar with Adobe Photoshop. So there is a button create new. That means if you want to create new, you can create new. The first one is your document name. Right now it's untitled as default. It's called untitled. As default it's called untitled, so you can rename it. Let's say make it AR. And width, there are lots of option like pixel or point or inch. So maximum time we are using pixel. So let's say let's take 1080 and 1080 and this is bleed area. Just leave it right now. When we create a business card or flyer, we will use this option. Right now just leave this option. This is your orientation. Hello, does everyone see my screen?
I have a screen.
Okay, what about Zardan? Zardan, can you see my screen? Okay, don't worry about this. I will upload recorded video on YouTube. You can watch it later. So, and this is a color mode that we also have on Adobe Photoshop. Look at this color mode, orientation, color mode. So same as Photoshop, if you want to use our design on website, on any social media, we have to select RGB as color. And if you want to print something like flyer, brochure, business card, you have to select CMYK. So maximum time Adobe Photoshop, we are using Adobe Photoshop for printing purpose. So that's why it's you have to select CMYK as color mode, and the raster effects must be 300. That's good. And color mode, make it as leave it as default. Okay, that's it. Okay, and just click create. It will be created a new artboard for you. Okay. Okay, if you compare here in Photoshop, when we're creating new one like this, okay, let's say this one. Look at this. I'm now in Photoshop. Just just focus on this area so you can easily understand. I'm now in Photoshop. So let's say I want to draw something else there. Like this is a rectangle. So let's make change this color. In Photoshop, if you want to draw something else, we are just drawing in this, like with this artboard area. We are not able to work outside of this white color artboard. Okay, we are not able to work on here. But in Illustrator, let's say let's draw a rectangle here. So let's draw here. Look at this. You will see that you can also work without this artboard area. So you have huge area to work here. You have large area like this. You can work in this full area. You can work anywhere else. You can work here. You can also work here. So this is the main things. Let me open one of my project so you can understand. Okay, this is one of my ignore it, ignore. Okay, this is one of my wedding card project. So as you can see, let me open the draft, main draft. Okay. Look at this. I'm working lots of area like this. So look at this. So in Illustrator, you can work with, look at this. I'm working here, I'm working here, I'm working here, I'm also working here, I'm also working here, and finally I'm just making a final document like this. Look at this. So this is the main things that in Adobe Illustrator you can work anywhere. You have huge a large workspace area, but in Photoshop you just work only here. This is the first thing. Everyone understand this one? Hello, hello.
Yes, we understand.
Okay, okay. So if you want to zoom and zoom out your canvas, make sure you have press control on your, sorry, alter on your keyboard button. Then you just need to uh, change your mouse scroll, so it will be plus and minus, plus and minus. So zoom in and zoom out. You can also use this option, zoom. Right now is plus, that means it will be zoom. It will be zoom this area. And if you want to look at this, zoom in, it's plus. If you want to zoom out this one, press alter, it will be zoom out. And if you are using mouse, you can easily do this with the scroll bar. Like I'm pressing alter, then I'm zooming, zoom out. Okay. 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 As I already told you that in Photoshop, in Illustrator, everything almost same. So if you learn Photoshop, it could be easy for you to catch Illustrator things, Illustrator fundamental things. So if you go here, look at this. In Photoshop, uh, we have sidebar, we have panel area, our tools area, and in right side we have layer panels, properties, character, and lots of things. In Illustrator, it's almost same, but tool is not same. Tools not same. If you compare tools, this is not same, but the UI, the workspace UI is same. Like on the left side, there are our tool panels as Photoshop, and on the right side there are our layers panel and other things. So if you want to adjust it here, just drag and drop here. Once you see blue color things, then you can just left this one, then it will be adjust. Okay, so Pathfinder, this is same as Photoshop. There are lots of panel. It will needs according to your works. So let me hide all of these things. Okay. Okay, so now it's empty. This area is empty. So if you want to appear in Photoshop, if you want to appear something else, what we can do, we can just go here and we can just click here layer, it will be appear. We can just go window, then if you click shapes, it will be appear here. In Illustrator, it's same. You just need to go window and you just selected your needs. Like I want layers, the most important things for designing. So layers, this is my layer panel. Transform, I don't want this right now. Library, I don't want this right now. So I have layers. The another most important thing is character. That means your text uh, control panel. Types, if you go types, then character. Look at this. This is most important things, because in design we always use text. So this is another things, character panel. Okay, then we have lots of things, so don't worry about this panel. We will use everything once we need. Okay, as Photoshop, when you need any panel, we will just appear here and we'll use this. Okay, so let's make this join. Let's drag and drop here. I want to adjust this one. What happened? Come on, man. Yes. Okay. So we have our panel. Okay, we have our toolbar area, we have our layers and character panel. Okay, and we also have our artboard. So let's go back here. If you click here, you will go to home area. Okay, let's click here, create new. Okay, as before I have created a custom template, but as Photoshop, if you go here, if you want to create new one, you will see in Photoshop saves. That means if you save any template, it will be appear here. Photo, print, art illustration, web, mobile, lots of template. It's ready-made template. You can use any template from here. In Illustrator, this is all almost same, 100% same. So if you go mobile, you will see mobile layout. If you go web, you will see web layout. If you go print, you will see lots of template according to print. So A4 the most popular size, A4 papers. So if you click here, you can start work. Look at this is your A4. Okay, there. And another most important things is, if you go new, look at this. If you see artboard, so this one, I'm talking about this one. Right now it's 1. Okay, right now it's 1. As you can see, when I created my wedding card, you will see there are 4 artboard, right? There are 4 artboard here, because in my wedding card, in my project, there was 4 page. Okay, so this one would be first page, this one would be second page, this one would be third page, this one would be fourth page. So when you are working, like let's say if you want to create any flyer or any brochure, you need to take 2, 3 or 4 pages at a time. So in Illustrator, you can easily take this one. Let's say I want to create a brochure. Let's see here, I want to get flyer design. If I go here, flyer design in Illustrator. Okay, not this one. Yes, this one. Okay, let's say if you see this design, they have three pages. So this one would be, I think, 6 page. 1 page, 2 page, 3 page, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, if you want to take 6 page, that means you have to take 6 artboard. Okay, so let's go here, let's go to our Adobe Illustrator. So this is my page, A4 page. I want to need 6 artboard. So 6 page, that means 6 artboard. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, 6. Then if you click here, you will see, look at this, 6 artboard created. Okay, and if you go here, if you click this one, this option, this artboard option, you can change their position. You can rename this one, like let's say you can rename it to first page. So you can rename first page, then okay, it will be renamed. Okay, first page, first page. So in this way you can take, then if you click here, you can look at this. Now you can start work. Once you are done, you can just import this one. Okay, that's it. In this way you can take lots of artboard for your design. In the same way, I'm taking this 4 artboard. Okay, let's see. Okay, that's it. Yeah, that's it from this option. Okay, let's opens. There is another option, is open. Open means if you already have any project, look at this. AI, Adobe files always appears in with this icon. AI means Adobe Illustrator. If you are saving any Adobe file on your computer, it will be appear like this icon. AI means Adobe file. So if you click here, if I open here, look at this. Opens. This is my another project, logo. This one kind of logo. I'm working this one. Look at, if as you can see, there are lots of draft, and this one is my final work. So that's the thing. So opens and create. Opens means you can open your old project, and create means you have to create on your own on new project. That's it. Okay, any questions, students? Any questions? Okay, thank you. Okay, let's start our main things. So I'm just creating new one. Okay, so no, no. Okay, so let's start with our first uh, tools. The first one is selection tools. So we have already know about rectangle. So if you want to draw any rectangle here, okay, if you want to change this color, just click here and change this one. If you want to need any stroke, look at this, you can increase, you can change the stroke color from here, you can change it from here, then you can increase stroke color. You can also change the stroke, the stroke uniform, like this, the stroke style. So let me drag and drop it here. Look at this, this is my rectangle. I'm just pressing shift and alter. Okay, then I'm just increase this size. I'm pressing shift and alter. If you're pressing shift and alter, it will be increase according to this, like this. Okay, then you can change the format like this. Look at this. Right now my my rectangle looks like something like this, something like this. Then you can also change the design like this. First of all, you have to select this one, then you can change this stroke design. Okay, there are also designed like this, lots of design. So if you drag and drop it here like this, then you can also increase the size. Okay, so this one, once I'm here, I'm in rectangle tool, I am able to do, I am able to create rectangle. Let's say I want to select this one, let's say I want to move this one. So right now I'm in this, if you see here, this is activated, this one is activated, this one, that means I'm here. If I want to move here, I'm not able to move here with from this tools. So what I have to do, I have to select this one individually. How can I do this? I have to go selection tools. Okay, if you see here, right now I'm now in selection tools. Okay, I'm now in selection tools. So now I am able to move it here, anywhere. I'm able to move it here, move it here, move it here, move it here, anywhere. Okay, so first of all, if you want to draw anything else, you can just go here. If you want to move this one, just go here and just change the position. So this is selection tool. Selection tools, it's it helps you to select the element that you draw. Not only this one, if you want to open any image, let's open any image. Let's go here, then go downloads, then let's open this image. Look at this. Right now I am now in if you see here, I am now in move tools. So move tools helps me to move anything else. Look at this one. If I want to move this one here to here, I am also able to move it here like this. So this is move tools that do. Okay, direct selection tools. Okay, as we already know that you can also change the dimension, you can also increase and decrease something like this from here and from here. So if you see here, there are let's change this color to pink. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. If you see here, there are 7 and 8, there are 8 points. In Photoshop we call it anchor point, and also in Illustrator we call it anchor point. Let's say I want to change this shape, I want to change this shape style. So you have to go here, then okay, Control Z, Control Z. Okay. So as you can, if you see here, there are also 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 point. Uh, so if you want to change this shape, so you can easily go here, direct selection tools. Then if you click here, look at this, you can change this shape, something like this. Okay, something like this. So let's say I want to make, if I want to make it curve, so let's decrease, let's make it none stroke. I'm just making stroke none. And let's say I want to make curve only this one. So if you want to make curve only this point, like if you want to make uh, curve only this point, like this, something like this, so you have to go direct selection tools, then you have to only click this point. Okay, make sure you have only click these points. Once you click only this point, the color would be changed. Look at it, it looks like more blue, more than this point is not same, this one and this one is not same. So make sure you have clicked only here. So if you click only here, it will be change like this. If I want to change also this corner, so make sure you have click only this point. Okay, see, I'm just clicking only this point, this color and this color is not same, because right now I'm just only selecting this one. Okay, so make sure you have just click only this point, then it will be change, something like this. Okay, let's do it again. Let's go here, let's make it none. Let's change this color to another one, this color. Okay, so let's say I want to curve only this corner. So make sure that you have selected this one. You just click this one. Okay, make sure that you are also in direct selection tools. Okay, if you click here, look at this, you can easily change this one. So in this way you can easily make. So I want to change also this one. Look at this, this is one kind of nice shape. In this way you can create shape. Let's take another one. Okay, I want to carve only, no. Okay, when you are selecting all of this, when you will see this type of issue, that means all area are selected, all 4 corners are selected. Okay, or 4 corners are selected. If you only click here, it will be selected and it will be changed. This one, something like this, then this. Okay, so we have 2 types of shapes here. You can easily use your design. Got it, everyone? Direct selection tools. Everyone understand direct selection tools?
Yes, I got it.
Yes, that's good. Okay, and the another okay, group selections. I can leave it for now. When we are working on pen tools, we will see group selection tools. Okay, then the next one is magic wand tool. Okay, let's say we have, let me make some. Okay, if you want to make duplicate, you can also expand it here, you can also drag and drop here, it will make duplicate. But the another way is, if you press Alt, look at this, I'm now pressing Alt, you will see that my cursor looks like stubble. Okay, then if you press Alt, then if you drag and drop it here, it will make another copy. Let's make another copy. It's a shortcut way, and the another way is just drag and drop it here, it will make a copy. And if you want to make another way copy, just click your shape like this, click your shape, edit, copy, then again go to edit, paste in front. That means look at this, you have to, if you want to make this two on another copy, edit, copy, control C, then go again, edit, paste in front. There are three options: paste in front, paste in back, paste in place. So as usual, maximum people use paste in front. That means control F, click here, and look at this, it will make another copy. Okay, so let's select. Okay, if you want to select all of them like this, you have to select shift. Now I'm clicking here, I'm pressing shift. Look at this, look at this. Okay, let's say I want to change this color to this color. Look at this. Let's change this color to something like this, black color. Okay, let's change this color to this. It is same color. Let's change this color to this. Okay, let's make another variant. Let's change this color to this. Let's also makes white color area 100% white. Okay, so if you see here, there are lots types of shapes, and the different thing is color. Okay, this is another color, this is another color, this is another color, another color, another color, another color. So in magic control, let's say you want to select only white color things. Okay, only white color shape is in magic control. Look at this. So if I want to select this color and this color, what I can do, I'm just clicking here and I'm just pressing shifting here. But in magic control, if you click here, look at this, it will selected related to this color. If I click here, it will selected only this two color. This is magic control. Okay, magic control, look at this, it will selected similar color, this one, this one, and this one, this and this. If you click here, it will selected similar color. If you click here, it will only selected this three rectangle. This is the words, magic controls words here, something like this, in this way. Okay, then the fourth tools is let's delete everything. Okay, sorry. Okay, then let's go here. Then the next one is lasso tool. As we can see on Photoshop, we also had lasso tools. Where is it? This one. In this lasso tool, we are just making selection, but in Illustrator, we can also use this one, something like this. Let's say I want to select this one, this one, this one, this one. So how can I do this? You can just go to lasso tools, start your selecting area, this. Look at this. Okay, let's start from here to here. Okay, this, it will selected only this four only this four rectangle shapes, only this four shapes. Let's say I want to select these three things, so you have to make sure you have to start your point and end your point would be same. Look at this, my start point start from here and my ending point both are same. So let's say I want to select only this two one, just click, just select something like this. I want to select this one, so I can select this. I want to select this one, so I can select this. I want to select this, so I can select this. I want to select only these two things, so you can do this. So in this way, lasso tool works. It's easy and simple. It's quite easy. Okay, so that's it. Any questions, students? Any question? Hello. Okay. Okay. And the next one is most important tools, pen tools. We have already know how to create, how to work with. Okay. Okay. Now I'm now in pen tool. So if you draw here something like, we have already know how to work with pen tools. Let me recap this one again. So first of all, I want to change this color. So let's click it here. You can double click here and you can click here. First draw. Okay. So I'm now in pen tool. I'm just clicking here, then I'm clicking here, then I'm clicking here, then I'm clicking here. Okay. Okay, in this tools, in this shape, we'll see three things. Okay, the first one is, this is called anchor point. Okay, this is called anchor point, and the second one is, this is called handle. Okay, like if you go here, direct selection tools, if you click look at this, I'm now in direct selection. Look, so let's say I want to change this shape, so you can directly change this shape. So, because you are right now in direct selection tools. If you go here, you will see this is our main point, anchor point, our targeted point, anchor point, and this is called handling. In handle, we can handle our design things, how it will be look like we can change our design. If I'm pressing, okay, I'm pressing alter. Make sure that you have pressed alter. Look at this. This is our main thing. So so let's say you can change. Look at this something. Make sure that you are now in direct selection tools, so that you can able to change your shapes, and you have to click your anchor point. Okay, I have in this shape, I have only three anchor point, this one, and this one. So if I change this position, so my shape will be changed. Okay, my shape will be changed. This is another one. Okay, let's do it again. I'm just clicking here, delete. Okay, let's take a shape something like this. Okay, I have now 4 point. So let's say I want to change this position. I'm now in direct selection tools, this one. So in direct selection tools, you can easily click, you can easily select your anchor point, and you can easily change the shape like this. Look at this. Let's make duplicate. I'm just making duplicate. Group selection tools. In group selection tools, okay, so let's say right now I have in this shape I have 4 point, right? 1 2 3 4 points. let's say I want to add another point. How can you do this? You can just go here, just right click on it. Sorry, I think it's yeah, right click on it from your mouse, then left click here, just select this one, add anchor point, this one. If you click here, it will be added another anchor point. Right now you have another anchor point. 1 2 3 4 5. So make sure you are now in direct selection tools so that you can change shapes. So let's say you want to delete an anchor point. So what you can do, you can just click your anchor point. Right now if you will see, I have 1 2 3 4 5 anchor point. So if I want to delete this one, make sure you are now in delete anchor point tool. Just click here, it will be deleted. But click here, it will delete. Right now I have only 3 anchor point. And the last one is anchor point tool. That means it's allow you to modify this one, modify any anchor point like this. This one and this one almost similar. Direct selection tools and this anchor point tools. Anchor point tools means it's directly selected anchor point, and if you go here, also go here direct selection tools, you can also select your anchor point. So both are almost same. So that's it. Okay, got it everyone?
Yes, I got it.
Okay. So if you go here, let's try to cartoon vector art. Okay, copy image, control B, paste. Okay, so let's say we want to draw this one, so we can easily do with our tools. Okay, so first of all we need to take this color. So how can we take this color? If you want to take this color, just go here, just click here, it will be, look at this here. So let's try to draw this one, so we can easily draw with our pen tool. So something like this. So let's make it okay. Okay, if you see here, there are two buttons, switch button. The first one, this one is your solid color, and the other one is your mm, stroke color. So I'm switching my color to stroke, that's why. Look at this. Right now my rectangle, my shapes look like this, like there are only one line, one line. If I switch my color to this one, solid color, it will be switched this one. So this is the things. Look at this. If I switch this one to this, it will, you will see only stroke. Okay, if I switch this one to this, you will see the main solid color. So let's say I want to add stroke. Okay, so for this one, we can do another things. Let's say if you want to lock your image, if you want to lock anything else, let's say I want to lock this one, so you can lock it from here. Okay, now now you are not able to do anything else because this layer is locked. And the other shortcut is, if you press Ctrl and 2, it will be locked. Okay, now it's locked. Look at this, locked. If you want to unlock this one, you can unlock from here, but the shortcut is Ctrl Alt and 2. It will be unlocked. Look at this, unlocked. So in the same way, we don't want to work with this image. That's why I will make this image locked. So how can I do this? I'm just pressing Ctrl and 2. Now this image is locked. Okay, it will be not moved. So let's also copy this one. Like this. So I want to make it stroke so that it will be more comfortable for me. Then this, let's take stroke. Okay, let's also try to add this one. Stroke 1, 2, 3. Then let's try to add his face. Like this. I want to make it none. I will change this letter. Okay, first of all, let's take this color. So how can we do this? We're just going our eyedropper tool, click here, then now it's changed. But the problem is, if you see here, this is not clear. So what I can do, I have to make it, right click on it and just make it arrange, bring to font. Now it's solved. So we can also you can also take this one. Okay, only 10 minutes left. Okay, if you see here, look at this, we are just done this one. So in this way, you can draw any cartoon, anything else. So everyone's homework would be just copy any cartoon and send me. That's it. This is the homework. Everyone understand? Just download any cartoon from internet and work with the pen tools. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, that's it for today. I think next Friday would be Eid, so there will be no lesson. After it, we will we will start our we will continue our lesson. Okay,
Okay.
everyone. Okay, Allah Hafiz, everyone.
Allah Hafiz.